Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the new videos on my channel.
Today's recipe is wheat dosa. Ingredients: wheat flour 2 cups, salt to taste, and water as required. Preparation method: take a vessel. In that, put 2 cups of wheat flour, salt, now mix the salt and flour all together. Now it's time to add water little by little and make the wheat flour into dosa batter. It should be something this way. Keep it aside for half an hour. Now take a dosa pan. Let the pan get heated. Once the pan is heated, add 1 scoop of dosa batter and spread it all over the pan. Grease the dosa with some oil. Let it cook till it turns a slight brown color. Now flip the dosa and repeat the same process on the other side. Once the dosa turns into slight brown, flip it again and transfer it to a plate. It goes good with pudina chutney, dahi or red tomato chutney. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment below.